Okay, this video today I'm going to show how to 18 boot Debian 10 Cinnamon desktop alongside 17 operating system, including Windows 10. I found a bug with Debian 10. If you install all the desktop available on Debian, if you multiboot Debian, it only shows after the installation. You have to run update group to have all the operating system listed, all the Debian Debian desktop, all the Debian flavors listed on the GNU group. So after doing the installation here, it's gonna show all the operating system, but it's gonna show only one Debian, which is gonna be the Cinnamon. So I'm planning to install LXDE and the LXQT and the XFCE, and then I will make a video on how to update group to get all the Debian listed on the GNU group. It lists the Windows and the other operating system, but not the Debians, like the GNOME, KDE. So this one I'm going to start. I did install Debian Mate Match, and after I do the installation here, it's going to show only the Cinnamon desktop and the other operating system except Debian. So anyway, to start installation here, just double click here, install Debian. So this is the Calamares installer. It's the first time Debian is using it. So I'm doing the installation. I did the installation before using the DVD, but the DVD doesn't use the Calamares installer. Use the regular Debian installer. The live image has the Calamares installer. So I'm going to take some screenshots here because I want to have. I want to have a collection of so select your language here, click next, select where you're located here, and select where you're located and click next. Select your keyboard layout here and click next. Select here manual partitioning. Click next. The first partition here, is the UEFI partition, the FAT32 here. Double click. Then you're going to select here /boot/UEFI. And the boot and the ESP here has to be selected. Click OK. Now the swap partition, after the installation we will show how to activate the swap partition. The Calamares style does not automatically add the swap partition, so I would have to format the partition here. So I don't want to do that because I have other operating system using it that's gonna use it. So if I format now, I'm gonna have to redo everything. So I prefer to after the installation I will show how to activate the swap partition here. So the free space here, you double click. You can use this here to select the size of the partition you want to use. I want to use 20 gigabytes, so it's going to be 2480. It's going to be with the ext4, and then select the mount point here, and that's it. Click OK. So the new partition is going to be partition number 21. Click Next. The computer name here can be Debian or whatever name you want to give it. When I pause the video and set up my user account here. So it's gonna be partition with 20 gigabytes. It's gonna be partition number 21, it's gonna be partition number 21, and it's gonna set up the UEFI partition with the /boot/UEFI here. You just have to do is click install. So it's going to take like around 26 minutes to have the installation to be completed. So I'm going to pause the video here, and when it's finished I will start recording again. So the installation is complete. So all I have to do is reboot the computer. And my next video is going to be how to 19 boot Debian 10 LXDE alongside 18 operating system. I'm going to install LXDE and then LXQT and the XFCE, and then I'm going to show how to run update grub to have all the operating system listed on the GNU grub. So if you like this video, please subscribe, give a like, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.